In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Opensea on your Android phone. This process is very straightforward, so let's just get straight into it. What you want to do is open up the Google Play Store on your phone, then tap on the search bar at the top, and then just type Opensea, and then hit search, and then you'll see the Opensea Marketplace app. Now, if it says update there instead of open, that means there's an update for your Opensea app and you need to download it. So just tap on the update button, it will download the update and then automatically install it. Then that button will go back and say open, and then you can open the app up and begin using it again with the new features. Now, if you don't want to go in manually every single time and update the Opensea app, what you can do is tap on back twice. And then you want to tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner, and then you want to go to the settings at the bottom. From here you want to tap on network preferences and then auto update apps. Now, the one I recommend that you select is over Wi-Fi only. That's going to automatically update your apps when you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection. The other one, over any network, means that it's going to use your data to download the updates, and that can use up a lot of data. So select over Wi-Fi only, and then every single time you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection and there are updates available for your apps, it'll download and install them for you automatically, including the Opensea app. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.